Smith & Wesson Model 19-3 nickel. This may or may not have been a Florida police issued firearm. When I looked up the serial number, it seems as it was produced around 75, and a lot of them did go to Florida law enforcement. I'm thinking about paying the $75 for the letter to verify where it came. The finish is not perfect, but I tell you what, it shoots beautiful. I'm down here at the range. I'm all by myself, so we're gonna have to kind of see what we can come up with as far as getting this video. I don't have steel to shoot, so you're not gonna get that satisfying sound of me hitting steel or not hitting steel. But I'm gonna load her up and just at least let you guys see it in action. Curious as to what you guys think of old Smiths. I'm kind of really into them right now. I guess that'll have to work. So you'll see that beautiful recessed cylinder on here. The double action is so smooth. I'll take a few double action. Well, actually, I'll start with maybe 2 singles and then go double. Might as well aim at something, although you won't have gratification of it. That's about an inch apart, actually. Alright, we'll do 3 double. I can't just burn them off here because they're somewhat residential. 1 second between each round. So smooth. Hope you liked it. I know I do.